Hi there. I'm getting older and I'm having problems doing my air couplings, especially with one hand. Now I can. I've just beefed this up with some rubber heat shrink, and it's very simple. Just put it on and heat shrink it. It's just hell getting old. And I beef it up, make it bigger. So I put on a few. But I got so many air hoses and they're all the same. They're all, it's definitely me, but see, you can make it really big. It's nice. I can do it one hand. Enough said. Another old person problem solved.